want to say something that I want you to remember for the rest of your lives, okay? I want you to listen closely. I'm giving you the key to life right now. This is the key to life.
If you simply do that, you will literally unlock the potential of your life.
The key to life is running and reading, all right? Now listen, very serious. The key to life is running and reading. All right, now, why running? When you're running and you're out there and you're running, there's a little person that talks to you. And that little person says, oh, I'm tired. My lungs are about to pop. Oh, I'm so hurt. I'm so tired. There's no way I could possibly continue. And you want to quit, right? That person, if you learn how to defeat that person when you're running, you will learn how to not quit when things get hard in your life.
All I want you to ever do is try. That's it. I just want you to try. In those moments where you hear yourself, I want you to try. In those moments where you know that it's time to speak up, I want you to try. That's all that I ever ask of you, because if you simply do that, and I say simply as if it's so easy, right? You will literally unlock the potential of your life.
There have been millions and billions and billions and gazillions of people that have lived before all of us. There's no new problem you could have with your parents, with school, with a bully, with anything. There's no problem you can have that someone hasn't already solved and wrote about it in a book.
I say train your brain harder. If you think with a I can't do it attitude, guess what? You right, you can't do it. Because that's the way you think.
If you're going to recognize your value, you have to see yourself as amazing, as wonderful. Now, life will try to make you feel like you're anything but amazing. Disappointments, betrayals, rejection will try to steal your sense of value. But all through the day, despite what thoughts are telling you, despite who left you out, you need to remind yourself, I am amazing, I am a masterpiece, I have been wonderfully made.
What you think about yourself is the ultimate goal. It's the ultimate thing. It's the ultimate reward or punishment. But what you think about yourself is, at the end of the day, the single most important thing. And so beginning to have a relationship with yourself, of sitting quietly, and this may be one of the reasons that meditating is so important, that you can actually sit quietly, think about who you are now, what you think about yourself, who you want to become, what price you're willing to pay to get there, and then actually going down that path to become that person. That, at the end of the day, is the thing that is going to bring you happiness and fulfillment. But you really have to think about who you want to become.
You see, every one of us has the ability to create the life we want. We just need to learn how to do it.
Create an ultimate vision for yourself. That is the first key. If you're scared, you probably don't know where you're going. Gain some clarity about where you're going. Gain some clarity about who you are, your goals. Gain some clarity about your process.
The most motivating thing is for you to tell me I can't do something. Because I've trained my brain to believe that I can do anything I put my mind to. Get your ass up and do what you can do. You can do something, mother. Do something about it. Don't just sit there and complain about what I can't do. Your mind is weak. Train your brain harder than you train your body.